I'm very happy that His Excellency Deputy Prime Minister Sarah Jama has, as Jawahir said, from the time pushed his schedule and came here. I also know that His Excellency, the Minister responsible for culture, our Minister of Education, Parsh Al-Mughadr, who came here for another conference, also tried very hard to squeeze in his schedule to come here. That attests to the commitment that the government of Somalia and the President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud is committed to our diaspora. I want to shorten my statement to really thank Amir Yunus Institute for providing the space and for His Excellency Osman Erad, Ambassador of Turkey, to grace us with his presence. I also want to thank all those who have found the time to come here and participate.